Travel to Mars is a fascinating and ever-evolving topic. NASA and other space agencies around the world have invested significantly in technology and research to make human travel to Mars possible. Currently, NASA is aiming to send humans to Mars in the 2030s. The agency is working on a variety of technologies and systems to make that trip possible, including more powerful rockets, landing vehicles, and life support systems. In addition, NASA is working in partnership with other space agencies and private companies to develop technologies and systems that can be used for travel to Mars. There are several challenges to be overcome before it is possible to send humans to Mars. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the safety of astronauts during the round trip, as the journey is extremely long and astronauts will be exposed to cosmic radiation and other hazards. In addition, it is necessary to ensure that astronauts have access to sufficient resources, such as water, air, and food, during the trip. In addition to sending humans to Mars, there are also efforts to send robots and probes to explore the planet. These missions aim to collect soil and rock samples, measure the planet's natural resources, and look for evidence of past or current life. Other space agencies such as Elon Musk's SpaceX and Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin also have plans to send humans to Mars, with plans to colonize and even have permanent life on the planet. But these plans are still considered far away and too expensive and dependent of technological and financial advances. Anyway, travel to Mars is an ever-evolving field, and there are many discoveries and developments underway. As a journalist, it can be interesting to follow updates and news on the subject and interview experts in space technology, engineering, and planetary science to get a more complete view on the subject. What types of rockets are being tested to go to Mars? There are currently several types of rockets being tested and developed to send spacecraft to Mars. Some of the most notable rockets include NASA Space Launch System, SLS, Space Launch System. This is a high-performance chemical-propelled rocket that will be used to launch spacecraft out of Earth orbit. The SLS is designed to be the most powerful rocket ever built and is capable of carrying huge payloads into space. SpaceX's Super Heavy Starship launch system. SpaceX plans to use the Super Heavy as the first stage of its launch vehicle to deliver humans and cargo to Mars. The Starship would be the second stage. The Super Heavy is designed to be reusable and would be capable of carrying payloads weighing up to 100 tons into space. Blue Origin's New Glenn. It is a reusable rocket designed to carry payloads into low orbit and also to carry payloads into deep space. Blue Origin plans to use New Glenn as part of its plans to send humans and cargo to Mars. Arianespace's Vega. It is a small rocket designed to launch small payloads into space. Arianespace plans to use Vega as part of its plans to send probes and robots to Mars. China National Space Administration Long March 5th and 9th. These are chemically propelled rockets designed to launch heavy payloads into space. CNSA plans to use these rockets as part of its plans to send probes and robots to Mars. These are just a few examples, There are other rockets and projects currently in development, but these are some of the most advanced and notable. Each rocket has its own characteristics and limitations, and space agencies are constantly working to improve rocket capability and efficiency to make travel to Mars more feasible and safer.